We are here at Kibbutz Ginosar. We see the Jesus boat. This boat is a perfect representation of the boat which the disciples would have traveled in when they were traveling on the Sea of Galilee. This boat was discovered by two amateur archaeologists who, traveling along the shores of Galilee when the sea was very low, saw a few nails laying in the mud. After they found the nails, they dug deeper into the mud and discovered wood within the mud, very old wood, and after having excavated it with their hands, they discovered the shape of a boat. Many people gathered around and they excavated the boat from the mud in the shores of Galilee. This occurred in 1986. Early in the Gospels, we find that Jesus walked along the shores of Galilee and called the disciples. Two of the disciples, James and John, were in a family that had a fishing trade. And the family of James and John had boats of this very sort. They were fishermen. James and John were often seen, I'm sure, by Jesus and others mending their nets. They would also have to prepare their boats. And imagine James and John preparing a boat just like this one, the Jesus boat.